Hello, everyone! Welcome back to English Spark US, your favorite place to make English learning easy and exciting. I'm Emily.
And I'm Leo. Hello to our amazing listeners from all around the world. It is so good to be back with you today.
It really is, Leo. I am feeling great today. How are you doing?
I am doing fantastic, thanks. The sun is shining, and I'm ready to chat. But Emily, I feel like today's topic is going to be special.
You are right. Today we are talking about the biggest problem for English learners. And guess what? It's not grammar.
Not grammar? That is surprising. If it isn't grammar, what is stopping everyone?
It is a mental trap. It's the idea that you have to be perfect.
Ah, perfectionism. That sounds like a tough enemy.
It is. But don't worry, we have a way to beat it.
So, our topic is, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. I love that title.
It sounds simple, right? But for many students, starting is the hardest part.
Why do you think that is? Why do people wait so long to speak?
Fear, Leo. They think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh, so they stay silent.
I know that feeling, but if we wait for perfect English, we will wait forever.
Exactly. It is like waiting to be a perfect chef before you cook dinner. You would starve.
That is true. We need to practice to get better.
But regular studying isn't enough. We need active methods.
Okay, I am ready to learn. What is the first method?
The first tip is all about how you use your phone.
Before we jump into the first tip, we have a very small favor to ask our English Spark US family.
Yes, we do. We work hard to bring you these lessons. If you enjoy our conversations, please subscribe to our channel right now.
It really helps us grow. And please, hit that like button and share this episode with a friend who wants to learn English.
Sharing is caring. Help your friends start their journey too. We appreciate every single one of you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Now, let's get back to business. Emily, are you ready for tip number 1?
I am born ready. Is it about watching movies?
Close. It is about watching short videos, but with a twist.
Tip number 1, watch short videos like YouTube Shorts or Reels.
I love those. I can watch them for hours. But is that really studying?
It is if you follow my rule. You must turn on the subtitles in English.
English subtitles? Not in my own language?
Never in your own language. That is the secret. You need to see the English words while you hear the English sounds.
Ah, I see. It connects the sound to the spelling in my brain.
Exactly. It helps your brain recognize words much faster.
That makes sense. But why short videos? Why not a long movie?
Because short videos have a special power called repetition.
So, why are short videos better for this?
Because a video is only 60 seconds. You can watch it 3 or 4 times without getting bored.
That is true. If I watch a movie twice, I get sleepy. But a funny clip is easy to rewatch.
Exactly. The first time, you just laugh. The second time, you read the subtitles. The third time, you listen carefully.
Repetition is key. I like that.
And make sure it is content you enjoy. Cooking, cars, comedy, anything is fine.
Okay, so watch short videos with English subtitles. I can do that. What's next?
Next is a method you can do completely alone. But be careful, people might think you're a little crazy.
Wait, crazy? Emily, what are you making me do?
It is called self-talk. Basically, I want you to talk to yourself in English.
Talking to myself? Like, out loud?
Yes, you don't have to shout. You can whisper, but you need to speak.
Okay, what should I say? Hello, me. How are you?
Not exactly. I want you to narrate your life. Describe exactly what you are doing right now.
Like a sports commentator?
Yes. For example, I am pouring coffee. I am opening the window.
That sounds simple. I am sitting in my chair. I am looking at Emily.
Perfect. It sounds easy, but it's actually a workout for your brain.
I tried it just now, and I had to think fast to find the words.
That's the point. It forces your brain to think in English for real objects instantly.
So it stops me from translating in my head?
Exactly. You're training your brain to think in English because you're reacting to real life.
What if I don't know a word? Like, what if I don't know the word for curtains?
Then you look it up later. That is how you find the gaps in your vocabulary.
That is really smart. It's practical learning.
Speaking of practical learning, that leads us to tip number 3.
Oh, I like how these connect. What is the next tip?
Tip number 3 is about stopping a bad habit. Stop learning useless words.
Tip number 3, stop memorizing random lists of words.
But Emily, I thought I needed a big vocabulary. I learned all the names of zoo animals last week.
Leo, how often do you talk about zebras in your daily life?
Almost never.
Exactly. Unless you work at a zoo, you don't need that yet. You're wasting energy.
So what words should I learn?
Pay attention to what you say in your native language every single day.
The things I say every day, like, I'm tired or where are my keys?
Yes, if you say it in your language, you must learn it in English.
That makes it personal. I should learn Mike's English, not textbook English.
Precisely. But how do you remember them? You need a system.
You need to keep a list on your phone or a small notebook.
I will call it my daily phrases.
Perfect. Whenever you want to say something and you don't know the English phrase, write it down.
And then I look it up later and memorize it?
Yes. This way, your English becomes useful immediately.
Immediately. I like that word. We all want results now.
We do. And to get results, we need structure.
Structure. That sounds like grammar rules again. I'm getting nervous.
Don't panic. This is a grammar hack that feels like a game.
A game. Okay, I am listening.
Tip number 4 is using sentence frames.
What is a sentence frame?
It is a starter phrase, a pattern that doesn't change, like, I usually.
Okay. I usually. That's easy.
Now finish that sentence in 3 different ways. Go.
I usually drink tea. I usually take the bus. I usually sleep late.
Boom! You just made 3 perfect sentences in 10 seconds.
Wow. I didn't have to think about the grammar. I just filled in the blank.
That's the magic. You master the pattern, and then you can say anything.
It builds confidence so fast.
Can we try one more? Let's try a future tense frame.
Let's try, I'm going to.
Okay, I'm going to the shop. I'm going to eat lunch. I'm going to study English.
Excellent. You're using the future tense perfectly, and it feels natural.
It really does. It stops me from hesitating.
If you learn 5 or 6 of these frames, you can survive almost any conversation.
This is great for beginners. You don't need to be an expert, you just need patterns. Exactly. You just need to communicate.
Okay, Emily, we are watching videos, talking to ourselves, and using patterns. Is there anything else?
There is one more tip, and this one is a physical workout.
Tip number 5?
I want you to read out loud.
Read out loud? I remember doing that in school. It was scary.
Forget school. This is just for you. Read for 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay. Any special rules?
Yes, you cannot stop.
Cannot stop? What if I make a mistake?
Keep going.
What if I mispronounce a word?
Keep going. Do not stop.
That sounds intense. Why can't I stop to fix it?
Because when you stop, the perfection monster wakes up.
So we are trying to kill the perfection monster?
Yes, when you stop, you analyze and criticize yourself. We want flow.
Ah, so it is about rhythm.
Exactly. You are training your mouth muscles to move in English. It is physical memory.
Like going to the gym for my face.
Yes. If your mouth feels tired after 10 minutes, that is a good sign.
It means I worked hard.
It means you are physically changing how you speak.
Can I read anything? Or does it have to be a textbook?
Please, no textbooks. Read something fun. Read a blog post, a news article, or even the transcript of this video.
Oh, that is a great idea. I can pretend to be Emily.
Or you can be Leo. Just read it and hear your own voice.
Hearing my own voice in English is sometimes weird.
It is strange at first, but you must get used to it. It is your new voice.
My English voice. I need to embrace it. You know, Emily, looking at all these tips, I noticed something interesting. What is that?
None of them require a teacher or a classroom.
You are right. I can do all of these at home.
You can learn English in your pajamas, in your kitchen, or on the bus.
That removes all the excuses. People say, I don't have time, or I don't have money.
These tips are free and fast.
Passive learning is okay, but active learning is the key.
Yes, you have to open your mouth. You have to produce language.
Even if it is messy?
Especially if it is messy. A messy start is better than perfect silence.
A messy start is better than perfect silence. I love that quote.
Mistakes are just proof that you are trying.
Emily, I feel so motivated. Let's recap so everyone remembers what to do. Okay, let's test my memory. Tip number 1 was?
Watch short videos with English subtitles. No native language allowed.
Check. Tip number 2.
Self-talk. Narrate your life like a documentary. I am holding the cup.
Got it. Tip number 3.
The vocabulary filter. Only learn words you actually use daily.
No zebras unless necessary. I remember.
Exactly. And tip number 4.
Sentence frames. Use patterns like I'm going to build sentences fast.
You are a great student, Leo.
I'm trying, but there was one more physical tip. Tip number 5 was the reading one.
Read out loud for 5 to 10 minutes non-stop. Train those muscles.
And don't stop for mistakes, just flow.
Perfect. These are 5 practical steps you can start today.
You don't need to wait for Monday, just pick one.
I think I will try the self-talk while I cook dinner tonight.
I am chopping the onions. I am crying because of the onions.
See, you are already doing it.
It turns a boring chore into a fun game.
That is the secret. If it's fun, you will keep doing it.
Consistency is everything.
We are almost out of time, but we have a challenge for our listeners.
Yes, we want to see some action in the comments section.
Please tell us, which tip will you try first?
Will you try the sentence frames? Or maybe the reading out loud?
Write it in the comments below.
Writing it down makes it a promise to yourself.
Make a promise to your English journey today.
I'm going to check the comments later. I want to see which one is the most popular.
Me too. It's exciting to see everyone start.
If you found this episode helpful, please support English Spark US.
Subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and give us a big thumbs up.
The bell is important so you never miss a lesson. We have great topics coming soon.
We are going to talk about listening skills next time. You don't want to miss it.
Listening is my weakness, so I will be there.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
You are all doing a great job. Keep going.
Any final words for them, Leo?
Just one. Don't be afraid to be messy. Just open your mouth and start.
Beautifully said. English is for connection, not perfection.
We believe in you.
We will see you in the next episode of English Spark US.
Bye-bye, everyone. Happy learning.
Bye. See you soon.